Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this quick and easy lobster fried rice recipe. Hopefully you enjoy. Before we begin, you know the drill. Please give this video a like if you enjoy. And also, if you're new, please subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. And let's begin with this recipe. Alright guys, here are the ingredients you will need for today's recipe. Everything will be listed down below in the description box. I'm using 3 lobster tails. Now this is a quick glance of all the ingredients. I'm using paprika, lemon pepper, Old Bay with some parsley for the lobster tail. I have some soy sauce, sesame seed oil, 2 eggs. I have some chopped or minced garlic. I have carrots and peas to add to this fried rice. Also, we have salt and pepper, some onions, and the 1-day-old rice, okay? You can also make this with fresh rice. When you cook the rice, just place it in the freezer for about 2 hours or less, and you can have yourself some fried rice, okay? If you have ginger as well, you can add some ginger, but we don't have ginger today. We're still gonna make this happen, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my shears and cut the back of the lobster just so I can remove the lobster meat. Now that we have the lobster meat nice and ready, I am going to dice them into small bite size. Now you can cut yours as big as you want or as small as you want. It's time to season the lobster tail. I'm using Old Bay seasoning, paprika, lemon pepper, and dry parsley. First thing first, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to the lobster meat, then rub that in. Next, we are going to sprinkle the seasoning on the lobster just like so. Okay, now it's time to cook the lobster. I have my wok on a medium-high heat. I am going to drizzle some olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, maybe less, okay? I don't know what's up with me with 3 tablespoons. That seems like a tablespoon, okay? So I am going to place the lobster in there. I'm going to cook my lobster for about 5 minutes. Now, your cooking time might be different if you cut yours smaller or even bigger than mine, but once everything is done, I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, as you can see, the lobster is nice and done and it's looking super flavorful, right? Right, okay. I am going to be cooking the egg now. So I'm going to drizzle some more oil and then pour in the egg. As you can see, I mixed the egg on a bowl first. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. You can just pour it in there. And then basically I am going to scramble the egg. You can add some salt and pepper to it if you like. It's not gonna make or break the dish, but just scramble the egg. Now I am going to pour in some sesame seed oil. This will add tons and tons of flavor. You're gonna taste that fried rice when you taste that hint of the sesame seed oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the carrots and the peas. I'm going to saute these for about a minute because obviously they're not cooked. I want to saute them a little bit just to cook them a little bit. I like them not to overcook. I do like the crunch. So about a minute. Then I added the onion, and also I'm going to be adding some, some garlic. We love ourselves some garlic over here. So I'm going to add the garlic in until it started to fragrancing. Once it started to fragrance a little, I am going to be adding in my rice, okay? Now this is about 2 cups of rice right there. I am going to pour that in and mix it up together. Now it's time to add the soy sauce. Make sure you don't add it directly in the middle, just around the rice so it doesn't just burn it. And use a low sodium soy sauce, okay? Because soy sauce be salty. Now I'm going to add some hoisin sauce in. This is going to be some bomb fried rice, okay? Can you smell it through your screen? I know you can't, but I have to ask. Basically, I am going to stir everything together until all of the rice has one color, and then I am going to be adding the rest of the ingredients. Now is the perfect time for you to taste it for salt. As you can see, I added some more salt and pepper. And next, I am going to add the egg and also the lobster. Now we are going to do one last stirring. As you can see, it's looking good. The color is on point. When I tell you this fried rice was gone in less than 15 minutes, oh yes, it was good. It's giving authentic Chinese fried rice, okay, period. Except, you have the lobster in there, but yeah, it was bomb. It was 10 out of 10. Would make again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like today's recipe. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up for me if it was helpful. And I will see you beautiful people on the next recipe. Bye guys.